Tired of things piling up and no space to put them? Today, I've got some brilliant space-saving organizers that make life easier. Starting with a backpack that fits everything so neatly. A smart shoe rack that saves room. Clever storage hacks that make every inch of your home count. And even a handy sofa tray perfect for small setups. Whether it's your kitchen, living room, or closet, this video is packed with smart solutions. All product links are in the description. Let's get started. Number 1. 4 tiers egg holder for fridge. Fridge full of rolling eggs. This sturdy, easy to clean rack rolls them forward so you grab the oldest first. No setup needed, just place it and store up to 30 eggs neatly and stress-free. Number 2. To pack under-shelf storage organizer. Short on space, this under-shelf organizer adds storage under cabinets, shelves, or pantries. Hold mugs, snacks, or spices up to 15 pounds. Built with solid metal and rust-proof arms, it stays secure. Use it like a drawer or inside cabinets. Just measure first. It's 11 inches wide and 6 inches tall. A simple fix for cluttered spaces. Number 3. Pots and pans organizer under cabinet. This pots and pans organizer expands from 16.5 to 23.2 inches to fit most cabinets and holds over 9 items. With 10 adjustable dividers, it's perfect for pans, lids, and cutting boards. Guardrails keep handles secure, and you can hang a towel too. It slides out smoothly, installs easily with 3M strips or screws, and is built to last. Just be sure to measure your space before ordering. Number 4. Over-the-door organizer. Meet the Ofiri Home Over-the-Door Organizer, the only 2-in-1 design with 6 tiers, 12 compartments, and 12 side mesh pockets for maximum storage. It's 20 inches wide, 59 inches tall, and 6.9 inches deep, holding up to 80 pounds without tilting thanks to 4 strong support hooks. Made with breathable odorless fabric and clear PVC windows, it keeps items fresh and easy to find. Installs in under 5 minutes with no tools needed. Perfect for bathrooms, bedrooms, kitchens, or dorms. Your smart fix for small space clutter. Number 5. Stove Shelf Organizer. Meet the original stove shelf. A sleek magnetic shelf that instantly adds storage above your stove for spices, oils, and decor. It installs in seconds with no tools, drilling or adhesives required. Just set it in place. Strong neodymium magnets keep it secure while protecting your stove's finish. Made in the USA from premium stainless steel, it is rust resistant, easy to clean and built to last. It fits most flat or slightly curved stoves, so check compatibility before ordering. Number 6. Spice Rack Organizer. The Elvaenke Professional Spice Rack brings pro-level organization to your kitchen. It slides smoothly on ball-bearing glides and fits upper cabinets perfectly. A sturdy tray keeps items upright and protects from spills. Installs in minutes with just 2 screws, no hassle. Number 7. Under-sink Organizers. This expandable under-sink organizer adjusts in width and height to fit any cabinet. Its L-shaped design works around plumbing, with smooth sliding drawers for easy access. Perfect for organizing cleaners and supplies in kitchens or bathrooms. Number 8. Push Drink Dispenser. This fast drink organizer features a built-in pusher system that keeps cans front-facing and easy to grab. Its adjustable layout fits various shelf depths, perfect for home fridges or commercial coolers. Trusted by top brands, it keeps drinks cold, organized, and saves space efficiently. Number 9. Pull-out Cabinet Organizer. This 2-pack pull-out drawer set adjusts from 12.6 to 20.5 inches and installs easily with tape or screws, no drilling needed. Made of heavy-duty carbon steel with a smooth 3-rail system, it holds up to 65 pounds and glides silently. Perfect for kitchens, pantries, or bathrooms to organize pans, mixers, spices, and more. Number 10. Magnetic Shelf for Fridge. Clear the mess with this 4-piece magnetic organizer. 2 racks and 2 holders snap on with strong magnets, no tools, no drilling. Fits perfectly on your fridge, oven, or microwave, with a cute cloud design and sturdy rust-free steel. Organize your kitchen smarter and faster. Number 11. Expandable Dish Rack. This expandable dish rack adjusts to fit your countertop perfectly, holding plates, bowls, glasses, even pots and pans with ease. It folds down in seconds to save space, while the built-in drain guides water straight to the sink. With a detachable cutlery holder, room for up to 6 goblets, and premium stainless steel design, it keeps your kitchen neat, organized, and stylish every day. Easy to clean, rust-resistant, and built to last, this isn't just a dish rack, it's a true kitchen upgrade. Number 12. Drawer Organizer. Turn your cluttered drawers into organized spaces with this bamboo expandable organizer. It stretches from 12.6 to 21.45 inches, giving you up to 8 compartments for all your tools. The detachable knife rack safely holds 7 knives and is easy to remove and clean. Strong, durable, and stylish, this bamboo upgrade makes cooking faster and easier. That's all for today. The links are in the description and don't forget to subscribe for more.